Operating business. Management is a general term which covers all the situations where people working together interact in an attempt to accomplish goals and objectives. There are different types of management positions designed to handle all aspects of business. One method levels of command in business is as follows: top management, middle management, and first-line management. Top management is focused on design and implementation of the firm's overall strategy. At this level, management must constantly be aware of the firm's external threats and opportunities. Top management assumes responsibility for analyzing current information and planning for the future. Middle managers are directly involved in the implementation of strategic initiatives developed by top management. They bridge the gap between management and the non-management labor force. The example of first-line managers are department chair in an academic institution, office manager, floor supervisor, and foreman. Outsiders, managers in lower levels, and non-management employees often review decisions made by management. Management perspective. Perspective of management is to look at the skills and knowledge required to perform a task. Technical expertise. Do I have the computer skills and knowledge to manage the computer systems department? Analytical skills. How do I sort out and interpret all this information? Leadership skills. Can I influence employees to work toward the firm's goals? People skills. Can I get a group or committee to agree to work together to achieve mutually beneficial goals for the benefit of the firm? Critical thinking skills. Do I understand the concepts involved in the problem? Do I have the history of the problem and how this problem is integrated into other aspects of the firm? Perspective of management is to view specific functions that managers perform. These functions are often classified as planning, set objectives and map the strategy to achieve the objectives; organizing, secure financial resources and implement of the plan; staffing, recruit the best people possible for the task; directing, create written directives and train individuals; controlling, monitor performance of individuals and the entire project. Perspective of management is to view jobs as they are often classified in large-scale organizations: human resource manager, financial manager, production and operations manager, marketing manager, MIS manager or management information system, accounting manager, and administrative manager. Marketing. Marketing is the management process through which goods and services move from concept to the customer. It includes the coordination of 4 elements called the 4 P's of marketing. First, identification, selection, and development of a product. Determination of its price, selection of a distribution channel to reach customers' place, and development and implementation of a promotional strategy. Product. Product includes both products and services. The common perception is to think of products in a physical sense such as a car, a Coke, a message, or having your palm read by a fortune teller. Place. Delivering the product or service at the right place and at the right time in good condition is a major component of a quality marketing program. The product or service will move through what is called the distribution channel on its way to the end consumer. Distribution channels are identified by type of product. Promotion. Promotional activities must continue at some level as long as the firm is in business. There are retail promotion, wholesale or distributor promotion, producer or manufacturer, business communication, and advertising. Price. How does a business decide on a price to be charged for a product or service? There are 3 choices to base price on, which are cost, competition, and demand. Market segmentation.
Market segmentation.
A market segment is a group of individuals within a market that share one or more common characteristics. The process of dividing a market into segments is called market segmentation. Basis of segmentation. A company may select one common characteristic to identify a market segment. Marketers make use of a wide variety of segmentation bases like geographic basis. For many years, marketing managers have reacted to geographical differences in markets like market density, climate, region, and classification as urban, suburban, and rural. Demographic basis. Socioeconomic variables such as family income, age level, educational level, family size, sex distribution, nationality, occupation, religion, social class, etc. are types of demographic data often used to classify markets. Psychographic basis. Segmenting markets by identifying individuals who share common attitude or behavioral pattern is called psychographic market segmentation. A college professor and a skilled laborer may be earning these similar incomes. They may be of different ages and may have contrasting educational backgrounds, yet both may hold common attitudes toward numerous products. Market basis. One important way to segment is according to whether the purchaser is a consumer who purchases goods and services for his own personal use, or an industrial user who purchases products to use in producing other products. Because those two groups purchase goods and services for different reasons, marketers use different marketing strategies to reach them. And lastly, product-related basis. Target markets may be set on product-related basis, such as volume of usage, end use, benefit, expectations, brand loyalty, and price sensitivity, etc. International marketing refers to the marketing activities that are performed across the international boundaries. The planning and control of such marketing activities are carried by the parent producing company through its strategic marketing activities that are designed and established to meet the requirements of such a market. The main goal is to introduce and familiarize the product in a manner that customers get satisfied, develop liking for the product, and build a better image of the multinational manufacturer.